Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can add thumbnail on the YouTube video. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Play Store and then write here YT Studio and you will see YouTube Studio and install it and then open it. After that, log on here your channel from these applications and then click on content options and then select the video on which you want to add thumbnail. So then click on pin icon and then again click on pin icon and then you will see custom thumbnail. Then click on custom thumbnail and then select the thumbnail which you want to add. So click on it. After that, click on done options and then click on save options. So in this way you can add thumbnail on the YouTube video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.